Let me ask you, is success in your restaurant killing you? Are you a proud owner, but saddled with the heavy burden of operating a restaurant? Have you invested all your time and money into your restaurant when you thought you'd be enjoying passive income? Did you think it would be fun and hands-off to run a restaurant? I remember when I thought it would be fun. Is this restaurant funding your retirement, or is it draining your 401k? When was the last time you took a vacation for more than a week and you didn't check in every day or worry about the place burning down? What's your exit strategy? Do you even know what your business is worth right now? You may have some of these answers, but you don't have them all. That's why you're probably in your restaurant right now watching this video, and maybe even in the walk-in so you can get a moment's peace. For nearly 2 decades, I've been a food and beverage attorney, and I myself am a former restaurant operator. I was the general counsel and head of franchise administration for a large restaurant company with 6 brands, more than 4,000 restaurants in over 15 countries. When I became an operator myself, I bought 3 failing restaurants, and in only 3 years turned it into 11 locations before I sold it all for over 1,500% return on investment. But here's the truth. I love the restaurant and hospitality industry, but it almost killed me to reach those rapid levels of success. Why? Because even with my years of experience in franchising, I had to learn the hard way, through trial and error, all the many tricks and tools for properly managing restaurants, achieving profitability, and for positioning properly for growth. You made the first step today in seeking out help. But what kind of help do you actually need? Let's talk about it. Do you know where you're losing money? Maybe you need someone who can help set up your books properly. Maybe you don't have any financial reporting. Are you over on labor? Do you know what your labor percentage is? Is someone stealing from you? How would you even know? What's your food cost, and where can you find savings? These are the questions you should be asking yourself right now, and the right consulting partner will help you find the answers. Chart a course today for the next level. There are a lot of people who have false or no credentials who will take your money, equity, or offer you cash for a portion of your business rights. They will gleefully sell you on franchising as the solution. There are people who will sell you on a franchise package that costs anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000, and then take commissions when they try and sell franchises for you. But royalties of less than 5% are not going to fund your retirement, nor are they going to completely offset the cost of operating as a franchisor. Did they mention that there's a cost to operating as a franchisor? Listen, franchising is a wonderful tool for brand growth, but when it's done properly and at the correct stage of your restaurant's development. But you should not be selling anyone else as a franchise until you have your business locked up and ready for copy, paste, and repeat. If you covered a shift this week, don't know your labor, food, and occupancy costs, you probably aren't ready to franchise yet. Right now, your rewards are not directly proportional to the effort you're putting into your restaurant, but it's time to work smarter, not harder. Get off the hamster wheel and get on the road to success. Let's build up your business to serve you. But how do you find the right person to guide you through these daily operations problems? How do you afford the team that can help you grow? Part of what we do is help you avoid the shady situations. There is a bona fide shortage of trustworthy experts who've also operated restaurants. But we know who to trust, not just on our team, but with our extensive network of vendors. Reputation is important. Don't just trust any one person or company who's promising you the moon. Find a partner who's in the trenches with you and walks the walk. Have they operated restaurants? What are their credentials? Have you Google searched them? Do you know a single one of those people and their success stories? Are you ready for full course? We're here to help you. Check out our restaurant owner assessment. Be honest, so we can determine what you need and give you the right tools to win. Then I'll invite you to a free training where we detail what a restaurant and developer and investor does, why I get hired, and how our process works for our clients. We'll give you some real success stories from real operators, and we'll give you 5 free tools to be more effective today in your restaurant. So click on the link below, take the assessment, let's get it out of the way, and let's figure out where you are so we can get started.